Today I will be showing you how to add a background in Card. There are two ways you can access the background settings. First, you can simply click anywhere on the empty background area of your card. This will automatically open the background options. The second way is by clicking the hamburger menu, usually located at the corner of the screen. From the menu, select the option labeled Background. Both methods will take you to the same background settings panel. Once the background options are open, browse through the available designs and choose the background style that you like. You can preview different designs to see how they look on your card before making a final decision. After selecting your preferred background, click Done to apply the changes. Your chosen background will now appear on your card. And that's how you add a background in Card. Thank you for watching.